Here's the first method to post multiple videos on Instagram story. Go ahead and launch the Instagram app on your smartphone and tap this plus icon, select story. And now tap on upload and enable multiple select option. Now go ahead and select multiple videos you want to post on your story. So as you can see, I've selected 3 videos. Tapping on next. And here, you can select separate. If you select separate, then all of your selected videos will be uploaded to your story by sequence. And you can select layout for only photos. So we can see layout option is not available for videos. So let's select here separate. And here we can see my 3 videos at date sequence. Now all you have to need, tap on next and upload the story to your Instagram. Once successfully uploaded your story, you can easily watch next video by tapping on this next button. So this was the first method to add multiple videos in Instagram story. Now let's see the second method. In this case, we have to install our app. So go to your App Store, Play Store, search for InShot. All you have to need, install the InShot video editor app in your smartphone. Once it's installed, launch the InShot app and tap on video, tap on new to create a new video. In here, tap on video. Now select one or multiple videos. So first of all, we have to select a single video. So select your first video, tap on done. And here we can see the video added. Now we have to tap on canvas. In here, we have to select this ratio. Once you selected this ratio, tap on done. And now we have to zoom out our video. So go ahead and pinch your fingers to zoom out like this. You can also change your first video location. Now to add your second video, tap on PIP. And now select your second video. Once the second video added, you can resize the video. You can change your video location or position. And to add another video, again tap this PIP and select your next video. Once you're happy, tap on done. Now tap on export. And resolution, you can choose resolution. I'm selecting 720p. You can also change your frame rate and format. Then tap on export. And we can see the video is now exporting. Once exported, let's go to our Instagram. Let's upload our story. So here we can see the preview, tapping on your story. So that's how you can actually upload multiple videos in Instagram story.